Just got a new Mac? Before you dive into all its amazing features, there is one crucial step you absolutely must take: setting up your Apple ID the right way. Don't worry, it's super simple. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to secure your Mac, sync all your important data, and protect your privacy. And the best part? We'll get it all done in under 5 minutes. Ready? Let's get started. So, what exactly is an Apple ID? Think of it as the master key to your entire Apple universe. It's your digital passport that unlocks everything from iCloud and the App Store to messages, photos, FaceTime, and so much more. It's the magic that connects all your Apple devices, like your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, keeping them in perfect harmony, and, most importantly, keeping your personal information safe and sound. Without it, your Mac is just a computer. With it, it's a powerful, interconnected gateway to your digital life. When you first power on your brand new Mac, one of the first things it will ask is for you to sign in with your Apple ID. If you already have one from an iPhone or iPad, just enter your email and password. If you're completely new to the Apple ecosystem, no problem at all. Just click on Create New Apple ID. The system will guide you through a few simple steps. You'll need to enter your name, date of birth, and a trusted email address that you have access to. This email will become your new Apple ID. Next, it's time to create a strong password. This is super important for your security. Make sure it's at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Here's a pro tip: never, ever reuse passwords across different accounts. It's a huge security risk. If you're not great at coming up with unique passwords, you can use Apple's built-in iCloud keychain. It will generate and save incredibly strong, unique passwords for you automatically. It's a lifesaver. Once you're signed in, let's lock things down by enabling some key security features. Head over to System Settings, click on your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings, and then go to Password and Security. The first and most critical thing to do here is to turn on two-factor authentication. This adds an extra powerful layer of protection. It means that even if someone somehow steals your password, they still won't be able to log into your account without physical access to one of your trusted devices, like your iPhone. While you're in the security settings, make sure to enable Find My Mac. This feature is an absolute must-have. If your Mac ever gets lost or stolen, Find My Mac allows you to locate it on a map, play a sound to help you find it nearby, or even remotely lock or erase it to protect your personal data. It's a simple click that can save you a world of headache down the road. With your Apple ID all set up and secured, it's time to enjoy the magic of syncing. This is where the Apple ecosystem truly shines. You can effortlessly sync your photos, documents from iCloud Drive, your notes, contacts, calendars, and even your Safari bookmarks and browsing history across all your devices. To set this up, just go into your iCloud settings and check the boxes for all the apps and data you want to keep in sync. It's that easy. Now, a photo you take on your iPhone will instantly appear on your Mac, and a note you jot down on your Mac will be ready for you on your iPad. And that's it. In just a few minutes, your Mac is now fully secured, personalized, and seamlessly connected to your digital world. You're ready to explore everything it has to offer with total peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. And to let me know you've successfully secured your device, comment below, Apple ID ready. It's great to know you're officially part of the Safe Mac Club. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Mac.